All right. We're over here in lesson 1, 6. This is the second problem. And I don't think I wrote this on the last one. So I hope I don't need that. If we do, I'll have to go back and redo that. Messed it up anyway, but oh well. This is problem 15 on my other numbering system. So in case I need that, let me put that there. All right, we're supposed to graph these, and then where they intersect is going to be our solution, unless they happen to be parallel. Well, when I graph, I like to do the slope intercept method, which means solving for y. So if you can get them in that y equals mx plus b format. So you have your slope and your y-intercept. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. So solving this one for y, I would, let's see, I'm going to add the 7y to the other side. So I'd have 6x equals 7y. And then to get the y alone there, I would divide by 7. So my slope here is 6/7. I had no b, no numbers, so b, the y-intercept would be 0. So let's see what that looks like to put it on the graph over here. Must be a tool down here I could use. You can enlarge the graph there. You can use the zoom buttons up here if you would like. Sometimes that's helpful to zoom in a little bit so that, whoops, I don't want to go put it on there. Let me get that up. There we go. So it was a line. And then its y-intercept was the origin. So put that point, and then the slope was 6/7. Remember, that's rise over run. So rise 6 and run over here 7. Watch that little dotted line. I think it's lined up now. There's your, watch this 6 and the 7's right down here. Right there. All right, so that yellow line would be the top equation. And let's see the bottom one. Solving this one for y. Yeah, I'm gonna add the 7y to the right. And then I'll subtract the 21 over to that side. And the 9x. Hope you've worked with mx plus b enough so that when I do this one and divide everything by that 7 to get y alone, so on this one, 21 over 7 is 3. So my b, my y-intercept is 3. And then this 9/7 in front of the x, the coefficient, would be my slope. So I'll just make sure we get the dots all in the right spot. Sometimes that's the hardest part over here. So I'm gonna get the line tool. I'm gonna go up here and start on my y-intercept, 3. And now I've got a rise of 9. Oh boy. That means I gotta get all the way up from 3 to 12. Can I get up? I can't get up that high. I go down 12. I think I can go down 12. It's got to be a positive slope though. So if I go down, would be down to -9 because I was up 3. And then I have to go to make a positive slope. I'd have to go over this way. So my line's slanted in the right direction. I think every 2 lines was 1. So that'd be, boy, I wish I could see my x-axis here. Let's see if I can, I'd have to zoom out to get it so I can see the axis and that point, right? I was up at 3. So if I go down 9, that'd be the, oh wait, if I go down 9 from 3, that would be at 6, right? down to -6. Yeah, maybe I might be able to make that show up at the same time. There we go. So there's 3. There's down to the origin would be 3, and then down 6 more would be my 9. And then I need 9/7. So to have a positive slope, I gotta go over this way. Right there to get to the 7. Oh, that didn't work out. Let's delete that point. Oh, it took out my whole line. Start over. All right, again, I'm doing the green here, the y-intercept of 3 and the slope of 9/7. So trying to see if I can be more careful this time. There's my y-intercept at 3. And I couldn't go up 9, there wasn't a 12. So I'm going down 9, and then I'm gonna go left 7. So rise in this case, and then left, and try to get that. Oh, it's right on that same point of the 2 graphs. All right, so let's submit this. This is just part 1 of 2, so we're only partway done even. That's not right. Let's see you again, checking the work, what's not right. So the first one, y-intercept's 0, and 6/7 would be the slopes. So 6, let's see from here, if I go up 6 to 7 right there, that looks like it's at 7, and up 6, rise 6, run 7. All right, then the other one we just did. Let's see, I'm gonna write it out different this time just to check this one. I feel like it could be a negative that I had a mess up on that one. So let's see, let's subtract the 9x over to the other side. So I'd have 21 minus 9x. And then I'd be dividing by that -7 on both. Because my y-intercept comes out here. Now I've got a y-intercept of -3. So why do I have a -3, positive 9x still for the slope? So if you go up here, I moved the 7 over the, oh, but the 21 would have been negative when I moved it to this. All right, so we need to delete the blue line. I might come up here and click on it. And then I'm going to delete that. And then we'll redo that one. So my y-intercept on that one was supposed to be -3, and then I can rise 9. Because I'd go up to 6, that's the rise of 9. And run of 7 would be over here. So it'd be at that point. All right. So again, persevere. If you make a mistake, go back and check your work. You can get it. Let's see how we did. There we go. We found it. Now, but there's still another part to the question. So it's asking what the solution is, and that's the point where they intersected. And these two intersected at that 7/6 point. So there's only one solution. And we'll type it in as an ordered pair, 7, 6. Just like that. Let's check that one. All right. Whew. Sometimes it's a struggle, but if it's just a matter of your arithmetic and things like that, if nothing else, grab a piece of paper. I was doing that over here on the side on my desktop. I was writing it out on paper to get it. Sometimes it's just when I'm trying to write on the computer and show it to you guys. So good luck there. You can get it.